In this 55-second feature video, I'm going to go over another reason why we at Leer confidently stand behind every unit that leaves our facilities. Sanding of our high-density rails. Our high-density foam tongue and groove rails are constructed in a precision mold. To allow the rail to release from the mold, wax is applied to the high-density rail. Once removed, we take the extra step to completely sand down the rail, ensuring all the wax is removed. This is an extra step and adds a bit of cost, but it helps ensure the longevity and insulative properties of the walk-in. If the wax is left on, the core foam does not adhere as well to the high-density foam perimeter rail. When applying force to cam the panels to one another, if the wax is not removed, the high-density foam rail can pull away from the core foam. Often unnoticed, this leaves a void in the insulative barrier, reducing the insulation value, leaving a void that is unacceptable by our standards. Check out our video library on leerinc.com for more 55-second feature videos.